You covered lots of ground in dynamic linking, and I hope you're having fun doing lots of practice. You will now dive into creating dynamic links from within After Effects and linking sequences brought in from Premiere Pro. There are many advantages to this. Some of them would be: you will avoid rendering the sequences to create video files to import into After Effects. This is already a wonderful time saver and will allow you to become quite efficient. Also, when you play back a dynamically linked sequence from within After Effects, the playback will use Premiere Engine, which is much faster when it comes to videos than the one in After Effects. There might be lots of visual effects to add in After Effects. Bringing in the sequence will make the work easier and more efficient also. There are two main techniques to create these dynamic links. The first one is to create a new sequence from within After Effects and then jump to Premiere to populate it and video edit it if need be, then back to After Effects to finalize your work. The other method is to import an already existing sequence from a Premiere Pro project. This is a powerful option. Instead of working on a final rendered video, you will be able to video edit in Premiere while adjusting your work in After Effects. And also, you will use the video playback engine of Premiere. For you After Effects addicts, using this method makes you the video editor boss, because the final render will be from After Effects, and you get all the responsibility also. So let's jump in.